Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can enable and disable the sidebar on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings we want to scroll down and open gestures, and finally select sidebar. Over here at the bottom of the screen you need to tap on the slider in order to enable or disable the sidebar. Now if you go back, you need to find a small rectangle and then you need to swipe to the left in order to show it. You can press and hold on the line at the top in order to reposition the sidebar, so we can move it around. We can also move it to the left side if needed. We can scroll through these apps. We can tap on these four squares at the bottom in order to find more apps. And of course, in addition to that, we also have settings where we can choose which apps should be shown. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.